In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on using QuantPower's combined target and stop loss based on percentage. Log into your QuantPower account. Navigate to the bots section. Create a neutral strategy of your choice. In combined target, choose MTM in percentage. Enter the desired percentage value. Now, select combined stop loss. Enter the percentage value for your stop loss. Choose the timing for your strategy. Give your strategy a name. Select your broker and trade type. Specify the days you want the strategy to run. Click Save. Start the bot, and your strategy will be up and running. For more insightful tutorials and strategies, stay tuned for our next video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy trading!